Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix OBS black screen or dark screen display capture. So without any further ado, let's get started. First is you need to click the forward arrow here and make sure that your OBS is turned off. In my case, I will not be turning this off because as of now, I'm using this for my recording. Okay? Just turn this off and then proceed to the next step, which is to search for OBS. Once done, go for open file location. Okay. So the moment you're here, just do a right click. Just if you're not marking this or highlighting this into blue one, just click, do a first click, I mean a single click, do a right click and go for open file location again. Okay. So once you're being redirected here, do a right click again, and this time we will be going to properties. Okay. Once done, this new window will appear on your screen. It has these different options, and this time we will be going to compatibility rather. Okay. Under this compatibility mode, just check this and choose any of this Windows 7 or 8. Okay. Once done, unmark this to make it default and click on apply and OK. Okay, so after that, just simply close this and open your OBS. Just search OBS again and click on open. Launch anyway. So let me just unhide my OBS for you to see. Okay, let me just sort this. Okay, let me just sort this. Please wait. Okay. Okay. Here in your OBS, as you can see, it has these options above. Please proceed to help by clicking and go for check for updates. Okay. Here it shows updates are currently available because my OBS is up to date. If in your case it is not updated, then proceed to update and download or update your OBS. Okay? So once done, just simply close this and restart your computer. Okay, once you restarted your computer, open your OBS Studio again and see the difference. It will not, I mean, it will work again. Okay. So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.